Hey there, are you looking to buy this shop right here and you want to see how it works fully in a video? Well, don't worry, because I'll show you right now. So we're going to start by playing the game real quick, and I'll show you. So this is what the shop looks like. It will come invisible, this little shop from right here. It will automatically come invisible, but so I'm currently still developing it, so that's why it's visible right now. But as you can see, there's a little shop button right here, and so when I hover over it, it's going to show like a cool little tween effect. It's going to play a little click sound. Now when you click it, it's going to disappear and a little shop frame is going to show up right here. As you can see, when I click it, there's going to be like a little cool little tween effect with this too, where it starts like down here and it moves up here. As you can see, there are currently 3 items on it. Of course, you don't have to keep these 3 items. It's really easy to create new items for it, so I can show you that in a second. So as you can see, I have 75 cash right now. It comes with the leader stats too. So let me click shop again, and so let me buy a speed coil. As you can see, it's going to take $25 away from my cash leader stats, and so as you can see, it gives me a speed coil. Now if I'm still too slow, I can buy 2 times speed, but it's going to take away all my cash and I'm going to be broke. So I can either buy a sword or I can buy 2 times speed. So this is just the classic Link sword created by Roblox. So I'm going to show you guys 2 times speed instead. So let me click purchase. So I am now broke, but so whenever I run, I'm faster. Now don't worry, because whenever I equip the speed coil and unequip it, it's still going to keep my speed. Pretty cool, right? So now going back to testing mode, I will show you guys that this is mobile compatible. So basically, this uses the auto scale light plugin to scale with other devices like a phone, a laptop, an iPad, a Samsung tablet, any of those cool devices. So let me show you guys real quick. So I'm going to close out of all this real quick actually, because there's no point in opening that. I'm going to click test. I'm going to click device. Now this is going to show what this UI will look like on other devices. As you can see, for VGA, it scales. Now let me go to iPhone 5. As you can see, it's compatible. iPhone 4, iPhone 7 Plus. Now let me go to like an iPad. As you can see, I'll have to scroll down because the screen's very big. But as you can see, it scales correctly for this, and now let's go down to your average laptop. As you can see, it scales properly for this. It scales for this, which is a big laptop, so you'll have to scroll down to see the full laptop. VGA, as I showed earlier, and so this does not work for console, so I'm just going to point that out there, but I don't think anyone's going to really be playing console, right? So, yeah, so you get the gist. It is mobile compatible. It uses the activated function rather than the mouse button one-click function, so mobile players can tap it, and the buttons will render correctly whenever you tap or click the button. So now I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own item on here. So this actually does not require any scripting or coding, okay? All it requires is going into replicated storage. You're going to look for this folder called shop products, okay? So there's 2 types of rewards you can give someone. One is extra speed, or 2 times speed, and 2 is an item. So I'm gonna be doing an item for this one. So I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna just look up, like, I don't know, let's just do a slingshot. So I'm gonna take a slingshot out right here, click OK, no, and I'm just gonna rename it to slingshot. And so I'm going to go into shop products, add in a new folder. I'm going to name this one to slingshot. Then I'm going to put this tool inside of slingshot. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to add in a string value, okay? And I'm going to name this to item name. And now I'm going to look for the value. I'm going to change it to slingshot because this is what's going to be displayed on your shop frame. I'm going to add in a number value. Name this to item price, and now this can be like 35 or something. This is going to be the price of the item, and you can look up item image, or a decal, and then you name the decal to item image. And then I'm going to go to decals, and then I'm just going to look for slingshot. I think this looks good, so I'm going to copy texture ID, and then I'm going to just paste it into texture. And so basically if we go into like speed coil, as you can see, there's a folder called reward. You don't have to create a folder named reward and just put the tool straight into it, okay? You could just put it straight into here, or you can add in a folder and you can name it to whatever you want. You can name it like shop product or something, and then just put it straight into here. And now when we play the game, you should have a slingshot for sale. As you can see, it says slingshot, 35 bucks, and if I click purchase, it's going to give me the slingshot. Pretty cool, right? So that was just like a network glitch, I'm pretty sure. My network's been pretty bad lately. I'm not completely sure why. But so I'm going to go ahead, make this invisible real quick. And now I'll show you guys what it looks like fully. So this is what a player's going to see when they play your game. They're going to start by, okay, something's wrong with the Roblox network for sure. It's been going slow lately, but so they're going to hover over to shop, click it, and now they're going to see this. And now these are all the items. You can click purchase on any of them. So I'm going to, let's say I want to purchase speed coil. Boom. Purchase speed coil, right? And if I want to purchase 2 times speed, click it, and boom, there you go, 2 times speed. So this video was educational. It was to show what the shop really looks like as a demonstration, to show you guys a real visual of what you're about to buy. So yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys think about purchasing the shop, because I think it's pretty cool. And you can create an item for free without any scripting. So yeah, that's going to be the end of the video, and I'll see you all later when a new project by me comes out. Bye.